Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So this is our um, Q&A session for week 10 and day 6. So we need your more engagement here. If you do have any questions, any insights that you have got working on the tasks, you can share anything with us. So do you have anything to share, Jonathan? Do you have any insights you have found or any questions?
Uh, I don't have any questions or any blockers, but I was working on the dashboard today, and I think I'm almost finishing, and it's kind of looking good. So
Mm,
uh, I think
Great to
that
hear.
huh?
That's great to hear.
Okay. So the thing is, like, for the dashboard, I mean, like, uh, I think it's enough uh, for visualizing the forecasting, but that in order to get more visualization, I think maybe for the future, if there is enough data or if there is good quality of data for the insights, it will be great and it will look good, I think. Also, I have done a little bit of a real-time impact projection as a simulator, which you can drag and hover the uh, data, which is you can increase or decrease the points, and you get different type of impact for the users, which is 2027 or up to 2030. And I think that's it for now.
Yeah, that's fantastic, Jonathan. Great to hear your progress, and also it's a very good one because you have gone so far, and also you have submitted. You are almost going to submit your final submission, right? Just because
Yeah,
you are working on the
I think I
dashboard,
can
and
say.
yeah, that's a great progress. And thank you so much, Jonathan.
Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Barakat, Hanan, do you have any questions or any insights that you want to share from the tasks that you have been doing this week? Okay, Barakat, working on task for planning to submit on time. Yeah, that's really great. Okay, Hanan, no, I don't have been doing great. I'm almost done my tasks. So Hanan, you're doing great, right? I couldn't understand your. No, I don't. Okay, you mean you don't have any questions? Okay, thank you, Hanan. Okay, I think this week has been good for you guys. You are almost finishing it uh, before your submission date. That's great to hear. And try to add some data to your data set also for it to be more best for you. But it's also possible with doing on the data sets that you have been given. But it's better to add on it that you have got. Okay, so this is really great to hear all of you. Thank you everyone for joining, and we can end the session here. If you do have any other questions, also you can reach out to us on Slack. Okay. Yeah, Barakat. Was it by mistake, Barakat, or do you have anything to say?
I have a question.
Okay.
Uh, I updated my report. No, it's not. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. And now, like I created the new branches. Now, should I start the previous branches or what shall I do?
ብራንች ክሬት አደረግ ለሌላ ታስክ ነው።
ፎር ታስክ ዋን ኤንድ ታስክ ቱ ማስተካከል አለብሽ ሲለኝ እንትኑ ላይ ኢንተርም ላይ
ኦኬ
ላይክ አፕዴትድ ዊዝ ፖሊሽ ማለት ነው።
ታስክ ዋን ላይ
ታስክ ዋን ኤንድ
ታስክ ዋን ላይ የታስክ ዋን ስራ ይሰራና መርጅ ይደረጋል ከሜን ብራንች ጋር።
ያ
ታስክ ቱ ላይ ታስክ ቱ ታስክ ይሰራና ድጋሚ ሜን ላይ እንትን ይደረጋል መርጅ ይደረጋል።
ያ
So ወደ ሜኑ ነው መርጅ መደረግ ያለበት። ያ that's the correct
okay, I did it.
so what's the question?
In my previous submission, I had 2 branches. ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ ኔክስት እንትን አልኩት ድጋሚ አፕዴት አደረኩኝ ሙሉ ማለት ነው። ኖትቡክን ምንም ሁሉንም ነገር
እሺ
እና አዲስ ብራንች ነው ክሬት አድርጌ የሰራሁት ኤዲት ያደረኩት። ከዛ መርጅ አደረኩት ከኔም ጋር ግን ላይክ የፕሪቪየሱን ብራንች ሹድ አይ ዲሊት ኢት ኦር ዋት ሹድ አይ ዱ?
ኖ ዲሊት አይደረግ
ኦኬ
ቢቻል ታስክ ዋን ራሱ ብራንች ላይ አፕዴት ቢደረግ ነው ሰርቶ ምንም እዛው ላይ ቢሆን ጥሩ ነው። ካልሆነ ግን ዲሊት አታድርጉት። እስቲ ከሜን ጋር መርጅ ከተደረገ ሜኑን ብራንች ስለሚያገኘው እዛ ላይ ግሬድ ያደርግላችሁ።
ኦኬ ኦኬ
So don't delete the previous ones. Okay. Thank you, Barakat.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining. Have a nice day and bye.